Okay, okay. So it's been a long day, and I know I stopped, I think like 3 weeks since I uploaded my last video. So let's just start from today. So why I stopped? So it because of some of my works like submission, presentation, like college works, all that. Also, why it's not loading, like, and yeah, I mean, like, it's been a while that also I get this Firefox theme recently, and also I changed my browser. Okay, so let's do simple one problems. Okay, let's bet that can be based on like array. Okay, so let's just maintain our first strikes, and then after first sometimes we can solve like medium and hard problems. Okay, so most of the easy problems I solved. Let's sort by easy ones and also the tags with the array. Okay, now let's see. Some problems are premiums. No, let's solve with this. Island perimeter. Let's solve this. Okay, and let's open the Leetcode. Okay, yeah, it's a previous problem. Okay, what is this? You are given a row and column grid representation representing a map where grid I and j is equal to 1 representing land I and j is equal to 0. 0 represent water. Okay, so 0 represent water and 1 represent the land. So grid cells are connected horizontally, vertically, not diagonally. And the grids is completely surrounded by water, and there is exact one island, that is one or many connected island cells. The islands shouldn't have lakes, meaning the water inside isn't connected. So the water around the island, one cell is the square with the side length 1. Still don't understand. The grid of the rectangle width and height don't exceed 100. Determine the perimeter of the island. Okay, so we have to calculate like a perimeter. Okay, so 0 0 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 0 1 0 0 and 1 1 and 0 0. Okay, let's okay, so 16. So should I have to calculate like a perimeter? like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 13 14 15 16 17. Okay, so yeah, I mean like perimeter can be 16. Okay, so sure. Also the one is like 4. Okay, and the grid is also 1 and 4. It is 4 because there is only that cell and that cell from the, and so yeah, it's 4. Okay, now I understand. Let's, yeah, I mean it is a pretty simple problem. I have to calculate the perimeter. Oh, sorry. So first of all, let's copy and paste here. In this, paste the actual code. And let's start. Okay, first I have to do like so it's 4 by 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 by 1, 2 by 2, but there is no 2. Yeah, it's meaning there is 2 values for row and column. So firstly I just get row and column. See, in that row and column, okay, I get the row and column. And yeah, I mean like let's just take this example. Okay, I have to return like why is not copy. Okay, this one, paste this and this. Okay, so our vector grid, vector of comma vector int of grid. By the way, this is the 2-dimensional, and yeah, I mean like we don't have to do like this, just give like this by default vector. So 0 comma 1 comma 0 0, and again with the comma 1 1 1 0, again comma, and 0 1 0 0, also comma, and lastly 1 1 0 0. Yeah, so okay, and I call the function. So s dot perimeter, island perimeter, and yeah, perimeter island, and pass the grid vector, 2-dimensional vector. And okay, yeah, I mean like we have to store the result. So result is equal to, and yeah, I mean like display the result. We have to see the result. So in here, okay, now we start. Let's just return like 100 here, that we can see. Okay, so it is a Leetcode is island. sorry, island, not island. Perimeter dot cpp. Okay, let's run and see what is the output. Okay, here is okay. Yeah, I mean, like, let's see how to declare the 2D vector in cp. I don't know the 2D vector. Let's see. I mean, like, okay, this is a 2D vector, vector in a vector. Okay, vector in a vector, vector. Okay. Okay, so like vector in a vector. So like this, maybe. Yes. So yes, 100. Okay, so we get the 100. So now let's check. Okay, so for perimeter we have to calculate the island. Okay. Yeah, I mean, like, this is a code, this is water, all the water, this is the island. So firstly, let's suppose we have like the one node. Oh, that is the previous. Okay, so let's start with the first, only one. Okay, so that gives like 4. But what we have, like, if 2 like this, so we also have the 4. But in case of 4, like this kind of, like this, so we like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, so that can lead to the 8 also. Yeah, I mean, like, there are total number and columns, number and columns with excepts 1, which also include 1, because like, yeah, I mean, like, in this 3 by 3 we have like this only, then sorry, this only, then 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, so this is 8, but it is a 9. Also, what if we have like this same, but from the other side, like this and this, so it gives like, sorry, this one, so it gives like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11, it gives 11. I mean, like, how we can like calculate? I don't see any like, let's check out here. So is island is not, is a land, and it is not, it is a island perimeter. This website, I think it have the solution. Find perimeter of the shape of the formed in the ones in binary matrix. Yeah, matrix grid, it is all same. Yeah, this is also, yeah, 1 to 1 1, that is 1 1. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, so these are the 8s, correct? Yeah, so in here there is 2 3 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Okay, so this is a 12. So how can I find like a scenario so adjacent? Okay, so don't know, like count, I have to like count it plus plus. Find perimeter. The perimeter is 0, so I is n less. So if, okay, so there is, if there is a if there is a 1, then we can use this formula. What is number of neighbors? What is this? Number of neighbors. Is there any mention? Okay, so this is the number of neighbors. What? Why supply? झोपा की आहे, दमलेच काम करून. सकाळी सोडले जाते, सकाळी गाड्यांना. अजून घरातली असतील ती काम. Okay, so I mean, like, how can I like solve this time complexity Rnx? There is not mentioned the how we can find. Okay, so let's say we can solve like this one. So firstly we have to like result is equal to 0, and for I is equal to 0 and I less than, yeah, R. In case it is a grade on dot size, and I plus plus I is j is equal to 0, and j, I think it's like this, j is 0, j is column. So for accessing column, I know like a grid of 0 dot size, it gives the column length, and j plus plus if our grid of I and grid of j is 1 or 0, I don't know. So perimeter will be, perimeter not, in our case it is a result, so result will be this. And neighbor. Okay, so this function is also right here. Okay, let's format and let's see, like I think it's n of O of n square. Yeah, C is not declared. Where is C? Here. mm, C is not declared. How we can find? Can I just like move this function into this here? Like this section here, and now if I okay, again result plus one, unexpected expression. Yeah, okay, I write the double is equal to again mat. Okay, so mat of img. So yeah, I mean like we have to be great. Okay, minus neighbors. Very complicated. Can I see the solutions? No. Okay, so let's see online. Leetcode. What is this problem? Okay, so 463 solution in CPP. Okay, so we are not just okay, C++ and so for like we are doing if I run this, yeah, it meant like neighbor we have to check, but it is also use the for loop, double for loop. Classic. What is this solution? It is much more than it is. Okay, so why is there no so like explanation? Okay, so how much time it is? It is almost 30 minutes. Let's solve a little bit. Let's like make more easy program. So I go with the Codeverse websites. It's also I can see the other developers code here, so that's why I use the Codeverse website. It is very useful. I mostly use it for practicing the Python. I code in the C++, but sometimes I use the Codeverse for the my Python. Or Dela. What is this? Dela. Hire software engineers. Okay. Sign in with the Google. Okay. And yeah, I mean like we can solve. We can verify website here. Why it's not counting X? Let's solve this fundamental question. Create a function with the two arguments that will return an array of first n multiplies with x. Assume first both given numbers are the number is the times to count will positive numbers greater than 0. Return the result and the array or list depending on the language. Yeah, I mean like it is have to return array. So like this maybe. Yeah, yes, not here. Yeah, okay, so I have to write like here. Here is my code. Okay, so what is the question? Assume the both of the given numbers. Assume both given numbers. Sorry. Create a function that will give function with two arguments. Okay, have x and n. That will return array of the first n multiplies x. Okay, so we have like 1 to 10. So 1 to 10, 2 to 5, 2, 4, 5. Okay, how much time it get? Okay, yeah, that's very simple. So for that I use the for loop and I is equal to j. That is very simple for my I is less than the n and I is plus plus, and also why it's not format correctly. Okay, or also I have to like store the elements. So firstly I have to create the vector. So vector of integers, result vector, and push the result, push back the I into x. Yes, sorry. So for first time it is have to be like 0 and is equal to, yeah, and like how to return the result that can give, like let's test it. Okay, so vector, yeah, I use the vector, no template name, vector here. Okay, yeah, std standard library. Okay, pass. Let's test the all test cases. Yeah, good job. Let's submit the code. It is pretty much simple problem. I have to raise my standards, but for now, yeah, I solved one question. Let's see other. Why there is this? Oh yeah, I have to. Yeah. So if there is a empty, okay, great. And also vector. Yeah, this is my approach, but this code is more clean than mine. Okay, what is the next? Also, let's solve the again the next problem. Grasshopper. Okay, so write a program that find the summation of every number from 1 to n. Yes, summation. So okay, 1 to n. Yeah, I mean it It is like a factorial, I think. Like what? No, not. It is like something we can call this. I don't know what, but we call this. Okay, so let's yeah, train. So for this question I can just use the recursion, I think. Should I use the recursion? Should I? Like yeah, I mean, let's do while loop for the safe side. Oh sorry, while not, or while its number is less than 0, number is greater than, while number is greater than 0, yeah, I have to write like 2 result is equal to 0, and how to like compare to 1 to that number. So count, I think, maybe. So int count and is equal to 1. So while my count so far is equal to 1 and is less than the, yeah, I mean, like we have to don't have to do like this. Okay, so we have to write the result, and for I is equal to 0 and I is less than num, and I is plus plus maybe. So my result plus I, and return my result. Yeah, I think like this can work. Expected 1, actual 0. Okay, like this. Okay, 23. What is this test case? Okay, I have 8, so 0 0 1. Yeah, and like I have to like start with 0 and end with is equal to, because yeah, like now it can work. Yes, and after attempting all, yes, it's good. Yes, submit the code. Why? What is this? Should I have to just use the, okay, yeah, I can, like, this is the formula for calculating the 1 to that. Yeah, I mean, like, yes, clever, yeah, bullshit. Okay, so for now I think it's good today, so bye, for see you in tomorrow.